Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make special tikoy. It's very easy to make. It has only 4 ingredients. The first step for this recipe is we are going to combine all the ingredients. We're going to need 1 pack or 400 grams of glutinous rice flour, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 3/4 cup of water. Mix the batter well until it is smoothened. Make sure there's no lumps on it. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 375 degrees. If you have electric mixer, of course it will be a lot more easier. But if you're just like me who doesn't want to wash so many dishes on the sink, then keep using your beater. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. While the batter is resting, let's grease the molds. I use 2 kinds of molds, big and small. I like the small one because they are bite sizes, and the big one I usually eat them on my breakfast. It doesn't matter what's the sizes of the molds, it just depends to your liking. After greasing all the molds, the batter should be ready now. Let's just stir one more time to make sure there's no lumps on it. Let's start pouring on the molds. When you're done pouring all the batter on your molds, cover them with aluminum foil. Your oven should be at perfect temperature now. While we are waiting for the tikoy to be baked, let's prepare the cheese for the topping. After an hour, here's the fun part. We have to take out the tikoy from the oven. First, we have to take it out all the aluminum foil on each mold. First, brush it with butter. I use salted butter in here. I like the taste, the combination of sweet and a little bit saltish. Then condensed milk. You can get crazy about condensed milk. The more the better. Well, the more you put it, the more it's sweeter and it's more tasty. Again, it's up to your liking. If you want more sweeter, put more on it. But if you want less sweeter, of course, put a little bit only. Finish it with grated cheese. Put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes until the cheese is melted or turned into a little bit brownish. As a gift, I included a download link for this recipe in the description below this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, stay healthy.